Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm really excited, and the reason why I am excited is because I feel like I have finally mastered my camera. This quality that you guys are seeing is the quality that I have been dying for, and I did not feel like in the past that my videos look like this. And I hope that how I see it right now while I'm recording it is how it uploads onto YouTube and it doesn't like take away from the quality, because I am really excited and really happy that my investments is paying off, because this is exactly how I wanted my videos to look. So I'm just like really happy about that. So, you know, I don't have to I don't have to fix saturation or anything, post edit. Everything just looks great right here. So all I really have to do is just chop, screw, post. Okay, so yes, this look is our pink, purple, blue eye look, and it is not a talk through like I have been doing lately. It's a voiceover, and I just did a voiceover because one, I kind of want to listen to my music, but also so that you guys can give me a vote on which type of videos that you guys like, whether you guys like voiceovers or talk throughs, either or. So yeah, I'm either gonna do a poll in the video, or I would like you guys to leave a comment down below. But you know, sometimes a sister forgets, so if I don't do the poll, just leave the comment on which one that you like, and let me know if you guys like this camera quality, or if you feel like you don't see any difference between the two. Just let me know. And yeah, before we get into the video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, like, help a sister out. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a second to go ahead and do that, like we usually do. It's done? Okay, great. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the eyebrows is already done. I'm going to start with my eyelids, and I am using the P. Louise base in the color Rumor 4. I'm applying this like directly on my eye, and then I'm going to use I believe it's like a MAC brush or like a Japanese brush. I got it from, I think, Dwayne Reed, and I'm just going to use that to blend it fully out. Yeah, as you guys can see, blend it out until it doesn't look too crazy, okay? And then after that, we're gonna go into the Morphe times James Charles palette, and we're going to be using the colors that I'm gonna put the X on, because I don't know those color names right now because I don't have the palette right at hand, but I am going to put it down below. And yeah, first I'm gonna stipple the purple all the way through, because that is going to basically be our main color. I'm just going to continue on stippling that to get as much pigmentation as possible. I mean, this palette is already pigmented. You guys know how Morphe palettes are. So yeah, and just follow through. Okay, I have the palette now. So we're gonna take the color Love That, which is like I don't know what to call this. I wouldn't call it a deep burgundy, but it's like a deep fuchsia with like a mix of burgundy. And I'm gonna take that to basically blend out the purple, the deep purple color, which was Escape. And then after that, I'm gonna go into the light purple. I mean, no, not the light purple, the light pink palette in the color Skip. Okay, so remember the X's that were on the palette. So the lightest pink color in that palette is like a hot pink. I use that to blend out, which is what I'm doing right now. And then to deepen up that crease color to get a little bit more depth, I add that deep brown color, which is Benny. I take that with the deep purple in the color Escape, and we use that to deepen up that part and then define the crease area. And now with a fluffy brush, I know it looks like it has something on it, but honestly it doesn't. I just need to clean my brushes. But now with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend all of those colors together. And then after this, we're going to take our P. Louise base to go ahead and cut our crease. Okay, so now we're going to take the color Escape, which was the deep purple that we first used to put on our outer edges. Okay, I realized that I kind of ended up changing the whole entire eye look that I was going for. I wanted more of like an elongated cut crease, but you know, it's whatever. We do what we do. So then I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush that I was using to blend everything out, to just blend out those edges, because we don't want no harsh edges out here. We just want it to be nice and smooth. So now we're going to take this deep blue, which is the color Cola, and we're basically just blending these two colors together. So you're gonna see me going back and forth between Escape and Cola, and basically just, you know, blending the colors together pretty much. Okay, so the next color that we're going to take is the color Playground, which is a nice sky blue. And we're just gonna take that and we're gonna blend that into Cola. And after that, the color that we're gonna add in our inner crease, it kind of looks like a silver because of my lighting, but it actually is more like an icy blue. So we're mainly just using kind of blues here, and the purple is on the outer corner. So that icy blue is what's gonna be in the middle of the eye. And from then on, I feel like the rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory. If I feel like there's something that I need to come in and show you guys and tell you guys what I'm doing, then I'll do that. But I really think that the rest, you guys have seen me do my makeup and my foundation so many times, and eyelashes and all that other stuff. I feel like it's very easy to follow along. Okay? Toodles. Okay, so what I'm basically showing you guys is these two setting powders. One is the Hourglass Veil and the other is Huda Beauty's Cinnamon Bun. And Cinnamon Bun is very, like, I wear it when I want to do a very like flawless even type of look, but it doesn't give me a highlight. So I mix some of the cinnamon bun with the Hourglass Veil for under my eyes, and then to cut the lower part of my face, well, you know, basically bake that area, I just use cinnamon bun alone, and that's it. So now this is the part of recording that I hate. So my camera shut off and I didn't realize that it did shut off. So here I'm just showing you guys that I use the Wild and Radiant baking, like bronzing powders, and I just use it to highlight my face, down the bridge of my nose, in the corners of my eyes. And yeah, so that's the only part that cut off. I don't know how, but we're here. Now I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette and I'm going to take that purple color, well, that deep fuchsia, which was, hold on, let's just open up the palette, which was, love that. Love that for me. Yeah, so it's love that, and I'm just using that to paste that under my waterline. Now the lip liner that you guys see me using is ColourPop's Pitch lip liner, which they discontinued, and I'm so upset about it. If I knew that they was gonna discontinue it, I would have bought like 50 of them because it's the best lip liner that I've had. It's so smooth, I love it, but discontinued. And then on my lips, I'm going to use the Nicki Minaj Pink Prints, the Nicki x MAC lipstick in pink print. And then I'm going to, you know, put some mascara on my eyes. I'm using the Grande Drama thickening mascara, and then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray, even though it's really not a setting spray, but you know, it just gets rid of the powdery look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the look wasn't too difficult to follow, and I hope you guys enjoyed this new video quality that I have. I feel like in this video my sharpness is just a little bit too, you know, strong. I may have to adjust a couple of things, but other than that, I'm really happy with the quality. Let me know down below how you guys feel about it. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.